Hello everyone, welcome to Regulatory Roundup. Today, let us talk about IS 302 Part 2 Section 75. It is the BIS standard for commercial dispensing appliances and vending machines. From a consumer point of view, this standard is important because it helps ensure the safety, performance and the quality of the appliance. From the manufacturer's point of view, it is essential, be it the manufacturer based at India or abroad. This standard is essential as it contributes to maintaining the consumer trust and the product reliability. Initially, this compliance, that is IS 302 Part 2 Section 75, was expected to become mandatory from September 2024. However, a recent extension by the BIS department now pushes the requirement to March 2025. This 6-month extension is basically given to manufacturers to align themselves with the standard and complete the necessary compliance procedures. But be aware, a non-compliance with the standard is not something to be taken lightly, as it can lead to serious legal consequences, including forfeiture of goods. So if you are a manufacturer of commercial dispensing appliances or vending machines, it is essential that you procure the BIS registration for IS 302 Part 2 Section 75. Well, friends, do not delay. Let's get your BIS registration process started to avoid any disruptions when the mandatory compliance date arrives. Thank you all for listening and stay informed on the latest updates to ensure your products meet all requirements and standards with ASC Group. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.